For me? Oh my gosh. Should I read the card? Should. Happy Mother's Day. You know what that means. Time to escape and get away from it all, even if only for a moment. You deserve it. Let that play.
It eventually stops.
Oh, okay.
So what did you think of it?
I like the card. Now, man, how am I supposed to open this? Okay. Looks like there was a breach on the side. Ooh, that's a pretty box. Wishing you all the best. Bath and Body Works. Oh, that's so cute. 1,000 wishes. Oh my gosh. Thank you, David.
You're welcome, Mom.
I love it. I love my card.
Thanks, Mom.
The card was really cute.
Happy Mother's Day.
And it kind of goes with this. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, Mom.
Oh, you video me open your brother's gift too?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? He won't come and do it. His card says, hey, Mom, guess what? But turn around and look it up. Mom, you know what? Mom, you know what? I love you. That's what. Happy Mother's Day. XOXOXO. Love is Xavier.
Really?
Your dad knows he knows how to rap. He's the best rapper alive.
For a wrapping gift.
It looks like a picnic basket.
Yeah, it actually does. I don't think I've ever been in a picnic before.
You haven't?
I mean, well, I have been for like at school, at kindergarten, elementary school, where it was with our parents, but not from outside of school.
So that's something we need to do.
Something that I wish we could do one day.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay, what's inside this picnic basket box?
Gingham Gorgeous. The body spray. It's a bee.
A bee.
A bee candle or light. Plug in
Oh, yeah.
with fresh cut lilac and some hand sanitizer. Fresh cut lilac and a flower. I mean a candle. Fresh cut lilac.
Oh, I also see something else in there.
And a little key charm.
With a picnic basket with a strawberry?
It's a sanitizer holder. Yeah, it goes with the sanitizer holder.
So it goes with this?
Yeah. That's so cute. How do you get that off of there?
I think you're supposed to like put it in upside down.
Oh. See, that's why you had the genius son.
Thanks, Mother.
I didn't even realize I had to open it at the bottom. And a little picnic basket sanitizer holder.
It's actually a nice keychain
It is a nice keychain. I'm actually going to use that.
that you can use for your keys.
Yup. Thanks, guys.
Why, you're
Thanks,
welcome, Mom.
Xavier.
Happy Mother's Day, Mother.
Babe, thanks for recording.
You're welcome.